Crypto is back. After weathering the recent storm, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are starting to rise, and quite significantly. Let's have a look what's been happening. We'll start off with Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin's the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, and it's a really good gauge for how the overall cryptocurrency market is going. If you look at the direction of Bitcoin, you can assume that most other cryptocurrencies are sort of going in a similar direction. So here we can see some very strong support at 30,000 US dollars. And you can see the price has hit that a few times, and recently the price has rallied quite strongly off that level and is now trading around 45,000 US, which is a strong rise from 30,000. Now, it's still a fair way off from the highs, but it's regained possibly around about half of the distance between the support level and the all-time highs. So it's looking fairly strong at the moment. Certainly a lot of buying has come back in since falling down to these lows around 30,000. Next up, we have Ethereum, which is possibly the second most well-known cryptocurrency. So as you can see, Ethereum has some strong support around this 1750 US dollar mark, but recently has really surged quite strongly off that, and is even looking probably more strong than Bitcoin, just because of this really strong surge off that support level. Currently trading at around 3135. So quite strong, looking quite strong Ethereum. Here's the price chart of Cardano. As you can see, similar sort of a chart to the other cryptocurrencies we've looked at, with some strong support. So hit a low around about that $1 mark, and has risen sharply since then to about 160, which it's currently trading at. So looking quite strong is Cardano. So what's this mean going forward? Well, for now, it means cryptos are back in favor. They're showing strong buyer support. They've risen off their lows very, very well. And there's no sign of an immediate collapse. So if that buying interest and that support continues, and people really start getting back into cryptos, we could see a test of those all-time highs. I'm Constantinos. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching.